scrolling on Facebook, I saw this place called Fat Pat's, and I had no idea what it was. I had to reach out. Thanks so much. I imagine we must be here with Pat.
I'm Pat.
Pat, what is Fat Pat's? Where are we at? What town?
Yeah, we're in Spring Grove, Minnesota. New brewery. Well, new to Spring Grove Brewery. We've been doing it for a little while in a different location, but it started as a barbecue food truck. Cool. And just kind of grew into what we're in currently.
And this building, it was not this prior. Tell us about the history of this building and what it was.
Yeah, man. This thing, I mean, back in the 50s, I believe it used to be some sort of an implement. I mean, it had kind of the same footprint, and then I know there was a fire. It was always like a gas station mobile, like one kind of auto garage, and it's just kind of expanded. You can still see the bolts on the where they were cut off from the car lifts, and you know, it actually had 4 garage doors across the front here, so
cool.
We kept part of it looking to try to keep the same look a little bit, and then we were able to put an addition on where we house the brewery and the kitchen.
Yeah, I mean, it's just with the garage doors, and I imagine the patio in the summer, just a really cool building. Yeah, yep. And I like what you've done inside. You got flying pigs, the bathrooms are something to brag about, and then that kitchen is spotless. It looks really clean. What can we find in the kitchen from drinks to food?
Yeah, so we make our own craft beers. We also, obviously we have Spring Grove Soda Pop on display, but we're pretty well known for our burgers, our barbecue, and then new to this space is our wood-fired pizza.
Nice, and that wood-fire
the pizza oven's pretty cool.
Yeah, it's something to look at. It's something to admire. You're taking wings out of the smoker, so you got wings, you got barbecue. Absolutely. What are some of the favorites? If you had to pick one, if you're eating tonight, what is it?
Well, so tonight, Wednesday nights we offer the wings and the burgers. It's a little bit different menu each night. So tonight, I'm always going to go for that WTF burger.
Nice.
I can't ever eat enough of them things, so.
Love it. Yeah. And then as far as your hours, when are you open, and what are some of the things you're doing for the winter to bring people in and have them have a good night?
Yeah, this is our first winter, so we're just kind of getting through it as we can. It's been going pretty well so far. Wednesday through Sunday, Wednesday and Thursday nights are 4 to 7. Friday's our barbecue night, so it's just the one night a week where we do the barbecue menu full on. We also offer the burgers at night too, but we offer the brisket. We got pork ribs, chicken, turkey, and great sides. We do coleslaw, the pinto beans, and our mac and cheese. A lot of people come for that stuff. We do nachos on barbecue night too, that a lot of people come for. And then so moving on to Saturday, we have lunch Saturday, and then we get into the evening and we fire up the wood-fired pizza.
Cool.
Thursday we have wood-fired pizza, and then Sundays just lunch, 11:30 to 3.
Awesome.
With burgers and pizza. So.
You're making me hungry and
Heck
thirsty.
Yeah, man. That's right.
Some of our coworkers are like, you can't not get the Spring Grove sodas either when we're in town.
Right.
So we'll be picking up some of those.
You bet.
Congrats on this new location. It looks wonderful in here. Where can people find you online for those that are interested?
Yeah, www.fatpatsbrewery.com. And we're on Facebook and Instagram.
Sweet. Congrats.
Thanks, man.
You bet.